What's up, guys? It's your boy Juan, and we got a 2007 Toyota Camry on the chopping block. Changing out the alternator right here, and we're about to do an oil change on this little baby. So right now, we got the alternator mostly unplugged, battery's already unplugged, and belts off. We just gotta take off the two alternator belts, get this bitch out, put the new one in, and then we can start on the oil change. So I'll be right back. That guys, new oil filter in, new oil change, alternator replaced. As you guys can see, oil is perfectly clean. We're all done here, about to go to get out of here.